Everyone go. If you can run fast, go castle.
Gotcha.
Guys, get ready.
Call the game. Hey, what up, guys? Take the castle. Keep going. Keep going. Take it. Guns up. Guns up. Guns up.
Let me go back. Hey.
Oh
my God.
12 o'clock. 12 o'clock. Take it. Take it. Take it. Take it.
Team 2 is in the castle.
Whoa. Yeah. Unlimited. Just touch back in. Watch your left, watch your left.
Team 1, Team 2, where are you? Walking team? Walking team is clear. Walking team is secure the castle!
Hold it, Gunner, hold it. What do you got? Hey, we got 1 at the castle's 12, 2 at my 11. 2 contacts at my 11, 1 or 12. Cody, time check. Woo! Yeah, good. Taking fire, what do you see? I want to hear some talking. Gunner, call them out. I got at least 2 on my right, 1 on my left. Hey, two, right side building. Got 1 at our 12.
Rob, 11 minutes left.
Yeah. 11 minutes, guys, we got this, come on. Sorry. Whoa. Right side in the woods, right side in the woods. Hey, what do we got over here? He's got me pinned. I'll watch left.
I got you from up here. I don't see a dude you're talking about. I hear him though. Oh yeah, no, I got him. Got 1 in front. Down.
Hey! Nice shot, man. Left side of the castle, left side of the castle.
Yeah.
At that building, right at the left of the castle. Right at the left of that pipe.
Good.
Okay, I'm gonna move. All right, see.
Reloading! I got 2 more coming up!
Where at, Pepe?
30 yards out, dead ahead.
Gotcha.
Ooh, watch it. They got a hot spot here.
Hey, watch right, I got 2 left.
2 on the front left. Yeah, both sides. One down on the left. One down on the left. One more on the left. Right, watch the right. Loading! Keep that right there. Hey. Y'all hear Billy?
Good shit, guys. Let's keep it up.
Here, give this to me. Behind me. Oh. Hey.
Moving left, moving left, moving left.
He landed left, he landed left.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Hey, we got 2 bodies on the left.
I got no eyes, I'm fogging. Look up there. Hey, get up here, cover me, man. One down on the left. Coming up, coming up.
Copy, watching left.
Run.
Hey, 1 at the 11 of the castle.
Copy, 11 castle.
At the fence, he's down, got him.
Got him? Moving up.
Hey, watch the river line, Peyton.
Okay, I got no eyes right now.
Copy.
Hey, left side, watch the river line.
Watch the river line.
Get down.
5 minutes left. 5 minutes left.
5 minutes, guys. We got 5 minutes left.
What you got?
River line, river line.
Gonna take a
River line bunker, Pepe.
5 minutes. I can't tell what's inside of it. Mine did too. Mine's going right now. Yeah, Zach, I got one to your right.
If you move left, keep your head down.
Yeah. Your right, my right. Your right. Got him. He's down. He's down.
Copy. Hey, river line bunker. I see him moving in the window.
Left bunker.
He's over by Becker. What are we looking at? Got one over here in this bunker. Right here at 11.
Only one?
Yeah, 1 body in it.
Got one bump up.
Hey, Cody, be sure that you're yelling at the top of your lungs the time checks.
Coming up, far right side.
Whoa, shit! Hey, 12 in the bunker! Right side, right side. Hey, right at your 11 o'clock. 3 bodies moving right. 1 at our 12, moving right. Peyton, what do you see? Hit. Hit. Got one!
Battery's down.